They said it was gonna be loose on me. Okay.
This is my dad's old pair of coveralls from like whenever I was like 5 years old. And of course, they fit Hiway perfectly once he gets them on. But
when I get them on, that's the question. God,
this is outside this morning. This is crazy. Ow. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the land of everything but white. What you trying to do? Ah, okay. Alright, this is from... Look how dirty the floor is. Normally it's fairly clean. The floor is filthy because of the fact that we keep having to go in and out with all this mud and snow. Miss Molly, what's wrong? Oh, look at him over here putting all these tracks in the snow. Holy shit. It's bad, guys. Like, everything's white. I can't even see the mountains. There's normally mountains out here. And then you can only see the Sandia over here. And there's another one over there. I can't even see the mountains. Ooh. Just cold. Alright, closing door. It's like 18 degrees outside. What are you doing, Miss Molly Polly? You're not being a rocket this morning, that's for sure. You must be cold. Ow! Jesus. This little hummingbird feeder, look at all the snow on it. GB over there. I wonder how Charlie looks. Charlie's, if you see those doors right behind this, the gray door, she is locked up in there. Locked up. Put quotes on that. I think my dad's steps are pretty covered. Oh my goodness. No, you can't come in. What are you doing? Go play. Go play. I saw her out here just jumping around in the snow. Go play. Molly's eating.
yeah, when you get out there,
It gets deep.
it comes to right here.
You get out there in the field and it comes right there. How deep does it go on you? I wish we had a GoPro to attach to you.
I don't know where that hole's at.
Somewhere in that area. Y'all are bad. I'm just watching the two of them play through the window in the snow. Mandy and Hiway out here playing in the snow.
And you can't see where I got stuck in the driveway.
Yeah, I know. Hiway's back out here in it again.
Yeah, it's not very deep. It's not sneaking in.
No, it only goes up to about his ankles.
Oh, there it is. That's deep.
Whenever you get close to that fence line, it gets deep.
Well, you know, the thing is, I gotta...
Well, Becky just called and said she's gonna try to make it home from Albuquerque. And Daddy just started up the truck to try to drive it out to Route 66, which is like, you look right over there is Route 66. And he's gonna try to make it out there to form her a path so she can come in. But you can see how covered this truck is. This is nuts. This is the most snow I've ever seen in my life. Daddy said this is the most snow they've had in probably about 3 years. Holy cow, I don't even know where the sidewalk is over here. Oh my goodness. Daddy found this with the plow and now he's over here making a trail for us. We gotta go try to see if we can make a trail for Becky to come in with the car.
Hey, close the door. Let me get out.
The truck's still running.
The bed's still running.
So Daddy is going down the road to see if we can clear some trail for Becky to come in. And I couldn't even walk through the fence because it was so deep.
Come on.
Stay here near home.
Stay down here. Daddy won't run you over.
At least she's not a white dog. Huh.
I know, right? I don't know how she ain't cold.
See Daddy trying to head down the road. I don't know if Becky will be able to get her car in here.
Well, he's got to keep going back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah.
Unless I sit on the back of it and fucking had that shovel and just... That's gonna be hard as shit because that's plastic. He needs a metal so that shit snaps.
I'm not used to snow this bad.
We get down a snowman.
Please don't chunk it at me.
Please don't chuck it. You don't want me to fucking cough.
That's what Daddy said. We can't build a snowman because it's not wet enough.
Man, what am I blowing out back there?
That is your smoke out your exhaust.
It's not black, it's white, right?
Yeah, it's white.
That's oil. Carl's out. Some of our neighbors are out.
Were you the only tracks up here?
No. Once I got to Carl's, I saw Carl's tracks.
Okay. We've decided to venture out towards the post office and the grocery store. And this is Route 66. And that's I-40 over there. Like Daddy's getting stuck again. Trying to just get out the Lorraine Lane. Is it Lorraine up here or is it another part?
That's Craven's.
Craven's. See, they haven't plowed out here.
Yeah, she's gonna have a hard time getting here.
That's why even just trying to get down our road, it's really deep. Like, I don't know how she's gonna get down the road. Propane is up.
I don't think I've got traction. Feels like it.
I can't tell. Jeez Louise. That car was covered. Does that mean they parked the wrong way?
Well, it'd be like mine. I didn't, this one would be covered like the Jeep, but I took it out.
Yeah. Can't even see through that window in the camera. This is the first exit.
I don't know if it'd be better for
Moriarty.
you to come home 40.
I don't know how covered is 40. Can you tell?
I can't tell. I mean, but they may have cleared it. They didn't clear 66.
That's for sure. They're all taking.
Or this may be cleared, and this is as far as I can go with it.
Yeah, because look, they're all taking the exit. Those are the 3 vehicles I saw, and they're all taking the exit.
there's a sand truck right there. But he ain't coming this way.
So, I had to come to Edgewood to get a harmonic balancer puller, and they got more snow than we did. And 66 is not loud.
I know where they're running down the middle here.
Yeah, because you can't keep control on the side. Hello. So after coming back from Edgewood for getting a harmonic balancer, Daddy got the car apart, and once he got to the timing area, there's like, they look like gears to me, so I'm gonna call them gears. I don't even remember what he called them. Pulleys? I'm not sure. The timing belt runs on them, and there's 3 of them. Well, 2 of them are chipped. So tomorrow we have to go down to the pick and pull in Albuquerque and pull 2 of those and a power steering pump. I'm not sure if he wants to pull anything else, but yeah. We had to fix the wall behind the loser in the shop because it was drafty, and I got real sick at one point when we did that, and I finally made my way into Daddy's motorhome and sat down, and Becky made me a sandwich for a little bit. I'm just like, oh my goodness. Now we're over here. When we left Daddy's, it was 6 degrees outside, and it is cold, and everything is white. Like, it literally outside reminds me of like those pictures that you see on Facebook of like people wishing for a white winter or whatever. Yeah, it's here. This is not something I wish for. I'd rather it be looking like snow with water, and, or not snow, sand with water and a beach, not snow. She's enjoying that. So anyways, we're ready for bed. Hopefully we'll stay warm.
I don't know.
She is too cute. Anyways, good night.
Good night.
I think she's in bed already.